talking about her making up lies about a rape that didn't happen. This is really bad. And this is the woman who birthed the victim. Let's talk about this some more. I'm going to bring in our law enforcement analyst, Sunny Slaughter, on the show, has been watching along this morning. Sunny, good morning to you. Great to have you here. I'm curious what you think about this defense strategy. As our viewers know, you also do consulting with litigation work and strategies with witnesses and whatnot. And so here, certainly, I'm going to acknowledge it's relevant if she's got a temper, if she's quick to get angry, if she's violent. Yes, that's all relevant. Everything else, I think there are a lot of missed objections here. I'm so curious what you think about what was done this morning with this witness.
Good morning, my friend Julie. Okay, so you must have caught my hot mess on Twitter because this testimony is a hot mess from the defense witness. It is really difficult to understand whether she was prepped, whether she was prepared, and whether they knew exactly what she was going to say. Because if this is their strategy, I think it is doing the opposite of what it could and should do from the sworn jury, because it is so toxic to the JAPO, the jury of public opinion. And she's looking down, the eye contact is not there. And this is the worst victim shaming and blaming that I've ever seen on the witness stand from a biological parent. She should consider the fact that the jury may be thinking, what did you do? What did you do to help your daughter? And could this be the reason why this has just gone generational when it comes to the son, and why we are currently here right now? I don't think this testimony is helpful. I don't think the strategy is helpful. While they may be getting in a few points, I think this has been overshadowed by her visceral reaction to everything her daughter's was and who she could have potentially been had she been a different type of parent herself.
Yes, love and agree with everything you just said, my friend. As you were talking, I started thinking of something, how this could have been done well, in my opinion, if they would have started with grandma, I don't know, maybe feeling a little bit of emotion about the loss of her daughter, maybe a little bit of sadness, maybe a tear she could shed about her daughter's death. You know, if they would have started the right way, like most normal mothers love their kids, you could see where, okay, then you make the hard turn. Okay, so this is so sad how you lost your child. Now we're going to shift gears. This is unpleasant, but your daughter had some difficulties, didn't she? I know this might be hard to talk about, but
exactly.
Share it with us. You know, it's all the way you present it, right, Sunny? You know, it's an art. And this was so bad to me. It made me dislike grandma. As I'm watching her, and I'm thinking, if I'm having that reaction, I can't imagine what these jurors are doing. How do you think they're feeling as they're watching this lady?
I know that, when we're looking at our courties and having these conversations on Twitter and other mediums, we are so put off by this, okay, as we are watching it. So imagine what the jury is feeling in the room with her, and that she is constantly looking down, that she has yet to say one positive and loving thing about her daughter. Now, as a mother of four, we don't always get along with our children. We may not like some of the things that they do, but I feel not only empathy, but no emotion or love, or even in the context of things going wrong, from this parent. And I think that is not going to play well with the jury. I do not think this strategy is working as we have seen it thus far, and it's gone on far too long in this way.
Yes, Sunny. I can't wait till we get to watch the cross together. This is going to be good.